guys, this is how we're gonna create catalog page. Okay, so before we start it, we need to do keyword research. You know, I'm not going to do that here, but we should know. So you go into the Shopify, going to the left, you see here is one called a collection, and then you add the collection. Now you enter the keyword we want to do. All right, so for here today I will say it's like this: iPhone 17 Pro Max carbon fiber case. Description, we need to put on description, but it's not that important, but you need to put on a description because in case there's something wrong. And then we put iPhone 17 Pro Max. All right, we put this in, and now this is very important. Okay, actually, if we don't use the pagefly, we need to optimize the description and image, but the things we are going to use pagefly, so we don't do that here. But important thing about the search engine is that we need to do optimization here. So the AI is perfect for this. So okay, okay. How you need to enter the information about our products, okay? So you come over to here, Max, right? And copy paste. Okay, this is my product. I need to make a similar page for keyword iPhone 17 Pro Max carbon fiber case. You enter here, right? Then you will come out something for you, right? This is something come out, so we copy that. We come to our page. We come to our page description. We actually don't use that, but we just put in here, and image we don't use it right now. And already get the information. Now I ask that please give me the page title and meta description. What the? Alright. So we have this. And discover. Alright. So we have done preparation, right? So go to the app, find the pagefly, and go to the page. We are supposed to create with the template, got all the things. You can do everything you want. We got a collection page, right? Do everything we want, and they're gonna work for us. But I'm gonna skip this. But you can play with this to get familiar with this. But I'm not going to do that because I already have a page. I just copy paste. So I go into the collection and find here, right? This is the one I want. iPhone 17 Pro Max case. I duplicate. And now the first things, I will change this. Right? Carbon fiber case. Now we come to here, make sure you save it once you're done. So the rest things is very easy. we just need to do some optimization. For example, we do this because the title, this is the H1, okay? It's called a carbon fiber. Carbon fiber case. So just make sure the carbon fiber will repeat that. Because because we're not selling carbon fiber case because it's aramid fiber, but we're trying to target this keyword. So we're still using this and this, and we did safe, right? Really safe because this is H1. This is very important. Okay, we need to have only one H1 and H2, H3. So this one is set in H1. And now for this, mostly I would say we need to change it because we should be unique. Our product should be unique, but I haven't prepared that today. I just show you how to do it. So just follow what I say. I will do that later. We're definitely gonna do that later. For example, we do this one, okay? So, and giving alt text. Remember, when we do alt text, we need to include our target keyword, carbon fiber, right? Okay, and then we come here. We'll say iPhone 17 Pro Max carbon fiber case back view with MagSafe sign to show it's compatible with MagSafe. Now, these alt tags, actually, ChatGPT and AI is perfect for us to, to add the, how to say that, the alt tags. So I do that. Right? You will give me a proper one, a better writing one. Now we come to here, the same thing. We come to here, we need to repeat this is H2, H3, I changed that to H2, okay. So carbon fiber case, that feels like nothing at all. Remember, keyword iPhone 17 Pro Max carbon fiber case. So we're doing this, right? And then we are all good. This is, you might like this, you might like that, it should be okay. It's called we're gonna add this because to 17 Pro carbon fiber, Air carbon fiber, we need to change it a little bit later. You gotta find this. So we can delete it and change it something, but you will figure it out because let me explain this here, okay? Since we have this, that says a collection page, but I want to each catalog can be connect together, right? So we need to delete this and then select option with typing iPhone 17 Pro carbon fiber case. I haven't built it yet, but that's what we're gonna do, okay? I just showing this, and this is for the internal links. Okay. And now this is another one, because why I use H3? I don't use H3. Change it to H3, H2. And I change it to the H2, right? Because you have a better construction, and then make sure you change here. Because this is our target. This is our target things. basically you just change this. You just need to change this. Make sure you know the alt text for the all photo is basic SEO optimization need to contain the tagging keyword. Okay. Because this is a little bit different, so I say carbon fiber like arami fiber, right? To craft our carbon fiber. And now I come to here, you know, try to add, you know, carbon fiber case and save it. Same thing. We need to make sure we have the target keyword everywhere, you know, in the description, title, and also in the alt text. I think alt text is important because everything is basic but important. Now this is good, right? So this is H2 means it's the headline. This could consider a subject headline, so it's H3. Make save ready, you know. This this photo seems like repeat, right? But it's okay. We're gonna optimize when we have more photo with the model later. And here the same thing. Carbon fiber. Why our I need to get it proofreaded. Yep. Now the style is much better. So carbon fiber, just put in carbon fiber and everything, you know, and because this is already built it, this is already pre-built it, I mean duplicated thing, so it would be much better. And you just need to edit, you know. All you need to do just, you know, duplicate the page, change the name of the page, and then optimize based on our keyword, you know, from the keyword research. Okay. Carbon fiber case. That's what we do all the time. I think this should be H2 because it's not a part of that thing. So and same thing here. You can do unsync, something like that. But I'm just trying H2. This is H. It should be H2. It's not a part of the other thing. So this is H2. Yeah. Yeah. We need to repeat several times. Remember, this is our target keyword. That's why we need to repeat that all the time. So here will come the same thing. Here will come the same thing, okay? Yep. Well, yeah. You just do repeat. It's actually just repeat game, alright? and then you choose publish. But you need to optimize everything, okay? Like I say, the headline, that we only have one headline, that means it's a headline for everything. This is a headline for different sections, so this one should be the H2, if we can find this style. Where's this one? Yeah, it's H2, right? And this is also H2 because it's not. Yeah, you can treat H3. It can be part of the. You can part of that section, right? And this is another one. So you go through all together, and now you click publish. And this is important. You choose the 17. You choose this. You choose this catalog, right? And then publish. Till now, you're not done because it's not done. You also need to do one more edit, because if you go to the page, you will see this. This is the original Shopify. This is the original Shopify method about the page. It's terrible. It's terrible of the terrible. So we're gonna edit that, because show you one more time. It's terrible of terrible, because when you come to a website, they have optimization like this, you will not buy, because we need to see this first, and this should be the bottom, right? So it's terrible, right? But go down. This is what we create. This is what we just created. It's beautiful layout and everything, information we need. So to do this, we go into page setting and click here, go to theme editor. Now find the first one, collection banner. The terrible thing is called the collection banner, right? I think it can also, yeah, this should looks much better. Actually for a regular Shopify site, the collection page should look like this, because you're gonna add the content. But to us, it's too terrible because it look ugly. We don't want the ugly thing, because we're a beautiful brand. So we do this. Make sure you move, click, click and hold and drop. It's here, like this. Okay, drop to here. You can actually delete them, but I just mute them. You can delete them right now. But anyway, we just do that and click save. That's basically what they gave to us. And that's one more thing, okay? Yeah, cool. It looks good. It's here, because this is the setup we made. It's global for our all size. So I made a mistake. So we need to do one more thing. You click this section, right? And then you also need to change this. Learn more about iPhone 17 Pro Max carbon fiber case. You come back into here, update one thing, and mediums are same thing, repeat. Okay, 17 iPhone 17 Pro Max carbon fiber, and you make sure you got a top padding. This is top padding and bottom padding the same, similar. Yeah, we do this. And you click save. This how we optimize. This is how we create our catalog page based on the keywords we want to rank, and also it's beautifully like this. We can also do a lot. Just go to the keyword research. We do brainstorm. This is the catalog page. Now like this here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. After I show you this, I need you to go create an iPhone 17 Pro carbon fiber case and replace that catalog to here, so people can click to go. All right, that's it for today. Let me know.